DJ Feature from Feature Prez LLC. In today's video, I'm going to do a review on this mini V-Lock base plate. This came over from Andycine. I want to thank Crystal over at Andycine for sending me this. Now, I'm not being told to say anything good about it, nor am I being paid to say anything good about it. I'm just going to give a simple, honest review, and you guys can decide whether you like it or not. So, off the bat, here is what came in the package. This is the base plate itself, and this is the 15mm rod clamp that basically mounts onto this, and that's what's going to go onto your 15mm rods so that you can mount your V-mount battery. And so getting back to the base plate itself, it has a nice finish, clearly has that Andycine logo so that you know you're getting the real thing. It's made of solid aluminum, and as I said before, it's a quick release V-Lock, and so you just push this in, and this is the V-Lock itself. Now, this will work with most V-mount batteries, but I think this is more suitable for the smaller V-mount batteries. You can still get a lot of power out of a lot of those V-mount batteries. Actually, Andycine is sending me one of those over as well, but it just haven't arrived yet. I just wanted to show you what I got so far. And the thing that is a little bit different between something like this and this, for one, this here is a lot bigger, and the only thing that it does that this can't do is it distributes power to your devices over something like this. This is just for mounting itself. Now, what you want to do is you don't lose a beat, because once you have your V-mount battery locked onto this, you're going to get all of your power from the V-mount battery anyway. So that's the only difference. And what I think is, on those days that you want to travel light, you don't have to worry about bringing something big like this. You can just go with the alternate, something like this. This is very affordable, and so it gives you that option to have the control or the power that the bigger rigs have, because it does the exact same thing but just at a cheaper price point. So let me just show you how you can set it up and how I would set it up. Okay, so as I said before, you have several options where you can mount this clamp for your rods. You have threads on the bottom, and you also have threads on the side, as well as a couple here. Now that we have our V-mount plate attached to the battery, we're going to make sure that we have the D-tap and the USB ports on the same side where we have our cables coming from the D-tap connection. So I'm just using a dummy battery, and so in order to do that, I'm going to make sure that I have this facing on that side, and then I'm going to use the threads right here to mount my clamp. Now it's secure, so all we have to do now is slide it right on. Slide it right on. It's done. We still have, with the fx3, we still have our screen hood here, and so we just take, show you to the other side of the camera, we have our D-tap connection. We can just open that port, and we'll take our D-tap wire, and now we're in. We're all set, good to go. So now if we want to power our camera, we're all set. As you can see, it works great, no problem going in. And so you can just connect all of your other devices via USB. But that's why I would say that using a shorter battery is even better. And that's what Andycine is sending me, and as I said before, I should be getting that by next week, so you guys stay tuned, and I will be doing a full review on that as well. So in conclusion, I think this is a very good option. As I said before, it's solid. Your battery will stay latched onto it with no wiggling, wobbling whatsoever. It's a nice alternative to the bigger V-mount base plates, and I think that this is something that you should go out and get, whether you are professional or just starting out. but it gives you that same option as someone that's well established. You won't miss a beat as far as getting something nice and small like this, and your pockets will thank you. You could be using that extra money to get other things. You know, these accessories can really start to add up. So whenever you could save and not sacrifice quality, I think it's worth it. DJ Features signing off. Thanks. Catch you on the next video. Peace.